Another day don't start. Omo, today must be different. Yesterday now I start this my new business. My first passenger wey I carry after I reach im destination and so he just jump comot for motor carry my money run. Today must be different. I must stay focused.
Omo, make I get up go get ready for work. Time to go.
Omo, e be like say I don get new contact o. Mr. Tom exclusive ride is now going places.
God abeg go don't give me all those useless clients wey be say at the end of the day I go just dey hate my life.
Abeg God, I hope say this guy go be better customer. I no wan make history go repeat himself like yesterday. Omo, make I call this man o. I hope say he still dey that address because I dey on my way now. Hello? Good morning, sir. This is Mr. Tom exclusive ride. Are you still at the address that you sent to me? Because I'm on my way.
Yes, my friend, I'm still there. When you get there, you will see me wearing a black shirt. I'll be waiting for you outside.
No problem, sir. I'll be waiting for you outside your place. And I think there's a bank opposite it, so I'll wait by the side of the bank for you to come.
Alright, no problem. You just wait for me there.
Okay, sir. Make this man no just go dey waste my time o. He need Mr. Tom, Lagos guy. He vex well well o. He no just try me. If I reach there after 5 minutes, I'm off.
70 years old man.
Finally, I don't reach this man's side. Make I quickly call him so he go know side dey outside.
Hello?
Hello, sir. I don't reach your area. I dey opposite the bank right now. I can see the bank in front of me.
No problem, my friend. Just wait outside. I dey come now.
Okay, sir.
Guy, if I wait for a few minutes, I no see this man. Well, me I go dey go my own. The old Lagos guy like me just put me for side of road. God.
Make I just try relax till he come.
My friend, wake up.
Oga, welcome. I don't even know where you enter.
Are you a driver?
Yes,
May
Oga, na
God
me be the
not
driver.
allow them,
But why your voice can't change like this? I hope say all is well. Mr. Man, mind your business and start moving.
Okay, sir, no problem, sir. Oga, you never tell me where we dey go. Me, I no fit move without knowing my destination.
My friend, just go. If you leave now, I go give you 100,000 cash.
Boss. Say no more, chairman. I dey your side. I'm leaving now. No worry.
No wahala. Worry up. I just want to come up from this place.
Oga, no problem. But before we go, make our own see for this. This one will just dey sweat like this.
My friend, don't worry about that. Just move.
Oga, you lucky gone. As I dey come your side, and so many people just dey call me for road. I no gree pick them. As I say, my spirit just dey tell me make I come pick only you.
No wahala, my brother. Just make sure say you avoid all the whole police checkpoint for road. You know as they go now. As a Lagos guy. No worry, chairman. I go take you to your destination safe and sound.
And I beg, chairman, I want make you also to patronize Mr. Tom exclusive ride. After today, you still call me for more business.
Correct. Just dey drive straight. Na border dey go like this.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
Bros, we don almost reach border. See as these people still dey for road for here.
think say
Wetin
they
dey
wise?
fight for here again? Omo, na who be that? Boss, na police o. We just block the road finish.
But no worry, boss. My papers dey complete. You just relax. Make I go follow them talk. Boss, this one wey you keep quiet like this, I hope say all is well. This man don disappear. When he comot for motor.
No be juju be
Hey,
that.
Mr. Man, oya come down for the car now. Bring down your other friend wey dey inside.
Mr. Tom, you see your life? Now you don't do waka with real criminals now.
That your friend na professional armed robber. We don dey find am since he don rob 3 banks. And na taxi drivers him dey always use as an accomplice. God, I don enter one chance again.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.